Hello, I'm Miko Garin, your in-life financial advisor, and I'm here to answer your questions from In-Life Convo. Life insurance, I'll serve it to you, unfiltered. But first, what's life insurance? Okay, I won't bore you with the technical definitions. Let's keep it simple. Imagine a car. Sa trunk niya, merong spare tire. Hindi mo naman siya gagamitin araw-araw, pero nandyan siya just in case one of your tire blows out. Ganun din yung life insurance. You might not need it now, pero when life throws something unexpected, like an illness, an accident, or worse, it's there to help you recover. It gives you and your loved ones a way to get back on track and continue enjoying the journey. From Clarita Coniendo, what are the different types of life insurance? There are a few types, but the two main ones we usually talk about are the traditional and VUL. So traditional insurances focuses on pure protection. Ito yung may mga guaranteed benefits and payouts. Fixed na, predictable, and usually for a set period or for life. On the other hand, VUL or variable unit-linked insurance is what we call insurance with investment. A portion of your premium goes into a fund value while the rest covers your protection. So habang insured ka, may potential din for your money to grow. Both types can be term or whole life, depending on how long you want the coverage. And you can also customize your plan with boosters or riders like critical illness coverage, hospital income. These let you design a policy that really fits your lifestyle and priorities. From Justin Espiritu, aside from securing a lower rate, what are the advantages that come with getting life insurance at a young age? Great question. So aside from the obvious advantage of securing a lower rate, starting life insurance young comes with several benefits. First, you're leveraging time. The younger you are, the more time your fund value, especially if you have a VUL, has to grow. A few extra years really makes a big difference in the growth of your investment. And here's an important point. You're buying life insurance with your health. If you wait too long and your health changes, you might be given a different rate, and your premiums could be more expensive. Second, some products and boosters like critical illness coverage can only be offered up to a certain age. By starting early, you ensure that you have access to all these options. But beyond the technical advantages, starting young helps you build financial discipline. It encourages you to plan long-term and think about the future. You're not just buying insurance, you're making an investment in your future self. From Christian Valenzuela, what if I miss my quarterly or monthly insurance payment? Am I still insured? First, don't panic. Yes, in most cases, you're still insured. Most policies come with a 30-day grace period. This gives you enough time to catch up on your payment without losing coverage. Now, if you have a VUL or a variable unit-linked policy, there's even more flexibility. Your fund value can actually cover the missed premium. So your policy stays active as long as there's enough value to cover the charges. For peace of mind and to avoid hassle of missed payments, you can always set up auto debit or auto charge. That way, your premiums are paid on time and you don't even have to think about it. From Jenlay Cleofas, can you cancel an insurance policy at any time, or are there penalties for early cancellation? You can cancel your insurance policy anytime, but keep in mind, there might be charges depending on the type of policy you have. For example, if you have a VUL, usually you get your fund value, but less some charges. That's why it's important to talk to your financial advisor first. Don't worry, we actually appreciate those questions. It shows that you're engaged and want to understand your plan better. There's also something that we call the free look period, where usually you will get 15 days from the time you receive your policy para i-review mo siya. If you feel like it's not the right fit, you can cancel during that time and get a full refund. No penalties. But here's the thing. Most cancellations happen not because the policy is bad, but because there's a disconnect between the policy and your goals, needs, or budget. If you feel like your plan isn't serving you anymore, let's talk about it. As your financial advisor, it's my job to make sure your policy evolves with you. From Katleya Tapales, What are the key factors to consider when choosing a life insurance policy? And how can I ensure that I'm getting the right coverage for my needs and budget? So it really depends on a lot of things. But to keep it simple, I usually ask my clients a few guide questions. So what matters the most to you right now? Is it your health? Is it your family, your kids, your current lifestyle, or maybe your future lifestyle? From those answers, we can already figure out what kind of protection you need and start designing a policy that really fits you. Now, when it comes to budget, it's actually easier than most people think. Insurance usually falls under your needs or fixed expenses like rent, electricity, and water. Here's a quick test. The amount you should pay shouldn't be too small that it gives you the wrong coverage, but also not too big that it hurts your monthly cash flow. With all those products and plans available, it can get a little overwhelming. That's exactly where we, as financial advisors, come in. It's our job to help you navigate all those options and design a policy that actually fits you, your goals, your lifestyle, and your budget. Having life insurance is a smart step in your financial independence journey, and we're here to help you become part of Gen Free, a generation that makes informed choices, stays in control, and confident to slay whatever life throws at them. We want you to enjoy the freedom to live life on your own terms. Ready to take control? Hit follow or subscribe for more tips on how to be Gen Free within life.